Are you looking for ways to watch local channels without cable? It's a common question, especially for cord cutters who still want access to live news, sports, and popular shows. In this video, I'll show you how to watch local channels without cable using simple and cost-effective methods. Let's dive in. There are two main ways to enjoy local channels without a cable subscription. First, you can use a live TV streaming service like YouTube TV, Hulu plus Live TV, or Sling TV. These platforms offer local affiliates such as ABC, CBS, Fox, and NBC in many markets. Just check your zip code during sign-up to confirm availability in your area. Second, you can go old school with an HD antenna. By connecting an affordable HD antenna to your TV, you can access free over-the-air broadcasts of local channels in crystal clear HD. Many modern TVs have a built-in tuner, so all you need to do is run a channel scan after connecting the antenna. If this video helped you learn how to watch local channels without cable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!